Hello, YouTube. My fan's so messed up, it's literally moving the box of macaroni and cheese with the toothpick right in front here. Pretty funny. That's why you don't use 100 psi to dust.